Yeah, we are live. We are going live.
Yeah, I think we are live now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We're
Dr.
live.
Ankit.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this third part of the technical analysis series in collaboration with Catalyst Wealth. A very happy new year to everyone. As we know, 2020 was a very topsy-turvy year. As should I say, it was a very uh, ridiculous year, I would say, because we saw extreme bottoms and now we are at all-time highs. So we hope 2021 would be a good steady year now. Now we have Prashant and Rahul again with us. Prashant, as
Okay.
we know, is both are co-founders of Catalyst Wealth, which is a teaching and a trading platform. Prashant is also, both are engineers by background, and Prashant is also a SEBI registered technical analyst. Rahul also is an excellent trader and he is an expert in the emotional aspects of trading. So today, Rahul, good to have both of you with us. We'll
Thank you.
start with you, Rahul.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Rahul, can you talk us through the emotions and discipline in trading and investing? A lot of people have a lot of knowledge, but without emotions
Okay.
and without discipline, I would say they don't
Mm.
make money. So, can you just talk us through that?
Yes. Thanks, Dr. Ankit. And good evening to each and everyone. And wish you a warm and really prosperous 2021. Yes, we had a very challenging 2020. But if I look at very positively, we learned a lot of stuff. I particularly learned something more on towards technological part of it. I learned much better and much advanced in terms of my trading career. What I need to do, I learned a lot of cooking too. Let me be very honest. And in that entire stuff, there is something old, different way of looking at life. Now coming back to trading, we always discuss at during our trading workshop and interaction with lot of students. For anybody to be successful in any field, they have to develop the character of that particular profession. Now why if somebody is becoming a sportsman, just like take an example of any of your favorite cricketer, like say I'm going to take an example of Virat Kohli. So in order to become Virat Kohli the way he is today, he had done a lot of stuff in terms of a lot of sacrifices, lot of discipline, lot of commitment, lot of accountability. The same thing is applicable here in trading too. Now when we talk about, you can see a lot of stuff like say we talk about fear, we talk about greed, impatience, everything. While I'm discussing this, I'm not saying this all will be absent. Absolutely no, there will be fear, absolutely, but it is more towards accepting the entire stuff and still moving on. Now I know whenever I'm taking a trade, the possibility can be either I'll make a money, or there will be stop loss. But even though that particular thing, it's my self motivation and self discipline which guides me to take the trade and move on to higher kind of thing. Now many times what happens, people just talk about something new and they try to implement just because somebody has told them to do it. At Catalyst Wealth, we tell people to back test, check yourself what is working and what is not working. Every individual is different. Every individual has different kind of goals. Every individual has a different kind of motivation. So what are that factor which is driving me to do something different? On that particular way, we derive the entire process. There are a lot of people who are extremely good and extremely patient towards long-term investing. Then we suggest them to adopt that kind of strategies. There are certain people, they love speed. So on that particular thing, we teach them more towards momentum trading. And for some people who likes just and day in, day out kind of scenario, we teach them that kind of thing. So you need to understand what works for you. So you have to adapt yourself to that way of working. Me and Prashant are been doing trading and training together. But we both have different strategies and different way of looking the same thing. And it's possible. While you are sitting together with your friends, there will be different views and accept that particular thing. So we know how to discuss this out, how need to go further up, how need to push each other to achieve different way. The best part about trading, which I like the most, here there is no one is your competitor. It is only you who is going to stop yourself from growing. If you don't accept yourself, there is an issue. But if you accept yourself the way you are, the scope for improvement and the scope for growth is enormous. So we discussed this all in totality. While I'm talking about discipline trading, it's not something doing one thing again and again. It's absolutely, that's a basic part of it. That whenever I repeat anything, I'll get better of it. We tell people to note down each and every time whenever you take something new. So how to improve? And during our interaction with student, we tell them what points needs to be written, how the journaling has to be done. So you need to maintain entire thing. During one-on-one coaching, we improve people on that particular aspect. We discuss a lot of thing on that particular thing. Now, one of the major characteristic is how you believe your belief. You need to develop that particular thing, and that is going to happen only through action. So we always push people to take action. If you know something and if you are not doing it, then whatever you are acquired as a knowledge will just remain that way. So you have to act on that particular thing. You need to develop certain kind of habits up and successful trader. Obviously, discipline trading and that kind of thing comes up, but there are certain things more to that particular thing. We push people to do some meditation part of it. Me and Prashant, we also go into that particular thing on regular basis, because this particular field is challenging because it tells you instantly what is your lacking and it confronts. Many other profession, the process of knowing that you are going wrong takes lot of more time. In trading, entire thing happens upfront. So now I take a trade within some minutes or some hours or in a span of some days, it will tell me whether I'm right or wrong. So that acceptance is a huge kind of thing. Now, one of the major factor to be successful in this profession, you need to be accountable. You need to be accountable for each and everything you do. There's no one else, no one else. Like say, when I used to work in an organization, there was a huge amount of people who were working in that kind of thing. So I am one of those. Here, I am whole and soul. So whatever happens, I need to take that accountability. I am responsible for each and every action of my own. So if I am working through my fear, or I am doing it something for with my greed, or I am doing something just as an impulsive kind of trade, then I need to be accountable. I need to change myself and adapt that real sutra of successful trading. We always push people to go towards a system driven mechanism. So whatever you are going to learn, it's one of the system. Prashant is going to tell you that one of the easiest way of system, which is way profitable. So how to do that particular thing, how to follow the one thing again and again and develop a mastery. It just ways of somebody, I'm talking more to the doctors over here, you prepare yourself before the surgery. So it's the same thing we follow in that particular thing before actually the day starts, before the market, the exchanges start opening and the real time action starts, how to prepare things. If prices are moving and if you are moving along with that prices, then there is some issue. You need to be stable, let the prices move. So how to achieve that stability, how to achieve that kind of composure, that is very crucial. And we at Catalyst will give a lot of importance to mindset part of it. The technical part of it, Prashant will explain you in detail. But I thought this particular thing needs to be discussed in totality, and that's how. Ankit, if you have any questions, I'm open for that.
Thanks, Rahul. Thanks for the wonderful discussion. I think the emotional aspects play the most important part. You may have any amount of knowledge, but emotions and
Mm,
discipline, they play the most important role in any profession for that matter. Not only trading, they're the most
correct.
important part of doing anything well. Yeah. Thanks, Rahul, for
Yeah,
that.
correct,
Yeah.
Ankit.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
So Prashant, coming to you now. Rahul, I believe
Over to Prashant.
yeah. So
Oh yeah,
Prashant,
yeah. Thanks.
can you just quickly revise what we have done so far?
I'm
And
traveling, so I might leave early.
yeah, thanks, Rahul. Thanks
Thanks
on
for
behalf
joining,
of
bro.
Task. Hopefully, we'll see you again
Yeah,
in some
sure.
other series.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So thanks, Dr. Ankit. Thanks, Rahul. And I
Yeah,
think
sure,
I'll just
100%. Yeah,
I'll take a quick revision about what all
yeah.
things we have discussed till now. Okay, so first of all, happy new year to all of you. And I think you would have seen me at the start of the year itself, 1st of Jan, 9:40 p.m. On Aaj where I gave my view on the index and I said that, or on the stock market as a whole, and I said that people were keen on knowing whether we'll hit 50,000, will not hit 50,000. They don't matter to me. It's just a number. Okay, it has a lot of emotion. It is a number. Now, what I told is the way I see the market is I see it was a Hindi channel and I said that अगर निवेश करना है, which means if you want to invest, go for banking stocks. I see a lot of quick move in banks. Now, if you see, first is when I spoke, and it's like hardly 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, and you've seen what has happened to the banks. Just take a look at Axis Bank, take a look at ICICI. They are all shooting like anything. They are all skyrocketing. And one stock that I'm looking at, which you all might also look at, is Federal Bank. Okay, so that is just based on what I had right at the start of the year for all the Ashtak viewers. And very soon you'll read from me on a lot of media where I'll be quickly will revise. Dr. Ankit, just confirm if you can hear me.
We can hear you now. In
Okay.
between, we lost you for a second.
Okay. So just to repeat, I said that I gave the view on the 1st of Jan itself. It has worked very well. Now let me, at the end of the session, I'll also tell you what I'm looking at. Before that, let's quickly revise. Okay. So, and what I said is Federal Bank is a stock you all can look at investing. It looks really good for a quick 10-12% move for sure. Okay. So that's one thing. Now, so just to give you a figure, Federal Bank is currently, 1 second, Federal Bank is currently 72. You might quickly see 78 or even 80. I think 8-10% move in no time is very much possible on this. Okay. Now, so we started with the difference between technicals and fundamentals. First started with what is the share. So we saw what is the share, then we started with difference in fundamentals, technicals. We saw that with technicals, we get a precise entry, exit. We are able to define the quantity. We are able to decide the time frame for which I want to trade. And we are able to define the stocks that I want to enter or the commodity or the currency. Whereas in terms of fundamentals, I'm not able to define. We saw the example of soybean crop where it rained in some part of the country, but the price crashed because the traders had a view that rainfall for that crop is not good. So that was the example we saw. Then we saw what are trends. So we saw the uptrend, we saw the downtrend, and we saw a sideways market. Now I also gave you a free program. I'm not sure how many of you joined in and went through it, but I revised everything last the second session. So we spoke about the magic line, which was 20 moving average on the daily chart. Based on that, I gave you a lot of setups, which was something like a Newland Labs. Then I gave you Loris Labs, which already has moved by 15% from our first session. Then we spoke about TCS, which has crossed 3,000 also. So basic systems, but still very effective. Right now, 20 moving average is what we saw initially with a clothesline chart. Now in the second session, I showed you how to use the 20 moving average with the candlesticks. We saw what is a green candle, what is a red candle, what is risk management, how we buy above the high, how we exit below the low. Then we saw how from a positional perspective, we go to the weekly chart and use 20 moving average. Then I also told you that I have spent 18 years in the stock market, 18 years, that is paying to the market, paying to all the programs from where I learned, doing all the mistakes. So when I tell you a time frame, just don't go higher. Don't go to the monthly time frame. It won't work. So every single system that I teach, for example, in our Pro Trader program, so in those 32 hours, which is pre-recorded, I cover around 32 systems, which are all different, very simple, very simple. But all of them have a specific time frame, have a specific exit entry, which can be easily done with any amount of, you don't need to be in front of the screen. That's the beauty of it. Now, if you try to change the time frame there, again, you'll get a hit from the market, which I have already taken. As I told you last time, being from the science background, engineering, medicine, we always have that curious or inquisitive nature to challenge what we learn. Now, here it does not work. As Rahul spoke about emotions, we always try to bring intelligence. Now, Ankit and I were together, Ruparel College, that's our background, merit rankings, all those things. So when we started trading, I also had that view that let me tweak it. And then after failing for a lot of time, I read about Sir Isaac Newton, being a mechanical engineer, a person highly appreciated, I think, by everyone. So I saw that Sir Isaac Newton traded in the stock market with some amount. Now he was, according to me, the most genius person I have known, and he tried to trade with some amount. From what I know, it was around $10 million. He failed miserably because he felt that it's only intelligence which works. And that's when, after reading that, I realized that he made a statement. You can Google that and find. So Sir Isaac Newton said that I can easily predict the movement of the heavenly astronomical bodies, but I cannot tell how the price is going to move. I cannot tell the craziness of the people in the stock market. I fail here. That is what he admitted at that level of intelligence. That's where I understood that it's not the intelligence which is going to work. It is, as Rahul rightly said, a process oriented approach, knowing the right system. So that's where on this 3 episode series, I try to build that kind of a discipline approach in you. And I try to give you that view where we spoke about 20 moving average till now. Also, I told you that when you have a 20 moving average on weekly and you see that, say it was like this, say it was like this, okay, and this is where you are entered. So when it starts going up and it approaches where it had turned, you book out 70% of your position and hold only 30%. If it crosses, it's okay, or else you're going to just keep your exit point, say 1 or 2% below the 20 moving average. That's the simplest thing you're going to do. So you don't have to do anything within the day. Come home, check what's happened, just move the call your broker, move the position, whatever. So for example, I trade in Motilal also, so I just have to put it on my app. So I put it on the app at 9:15. That's done for the day, and then I look at other positions, right? So that is the simplest way of trading. Now today what I'll do is, before I talk about any of my programs, I'm going to give you one very strong system, very basic system, just like we did the magic line, which is 20 moving average on daily and weekly. I'll show you something very simple to enter, exit in a stock which is moving nicely. So let us look at that. I hope you all are excited. There is energy. Don't show less amount of energy the way you even showed a less amount of energy to go and sign up to that program. It was a free program. Just I put in that effort for all of you so that you can go in, see what is that magic line. But that's what happens. Even when I was working or Rahul was working, we decided, now had we been working today, even till last year, we would have been easily in the 8-figure salary club. But we decided that that's not what we want to do, working for someone else. Let's give it a shot on our own. If we can't do it, we can always go back. But that's not your plan B, always kills your plan A. So that's why we decided, let's do it. Now, for that, in spite of the hectic thing, we had to always put in that consistent effort, even if it was half an hour a day. We had to do it. So that is a minimum expectation from everyone who's trying to. Now you see, it's about our hard-earned money, right? So whether you're putting it in SIPs, you give it to some fund manager, or you put it in anywhere, even if it's your PF, it is invested in the stock market. A part of it is invested in the stock market. Your ULIPs are invested. Everything is related to the stock market. As I said, in this lockdown, the only industry which did not shut down even for 1 minute was the stock market globally, right? Now, let us talk about the system. So we saw that there is now the time frame that we are going to use here. Again, do not tweak this. So this is going to be daily. So we have the 20 moving average, say, going like this. Now, if I ask you, the 20 moving average is going like this, and I ask you a simple question now, what is the trend? Can you comment? Dr. Ankit, can you just confirm what is the comment? I have asked the 20 moving average is going up. So what is the trend?
Yeah, I'll wait for the comments, Prashant. There's a 10
Yeah, yeah,
second
yeah, yeah,
lag in
yeah.
it. Yeah.
So your 20 moving average on the daily chart is going up. So is it an uptrend or a downtrend?
It's bullish.
Bullish. So it's an uptrend, right? Perfect. So why it's going up? Very basic. It's the average of the closing price of the latest 20 days. So if the price is going up, my latest 20 days will be more than the previous ones, and that continues to go up. So my 20 moving average goes up. As simple as that. Now, what I do is to this, I add one more moving average, which is the 40 moving average. Now, if you ask me why 40 moving average, well, a lot of effort, a lot of back testing has gone into it, and I have zeroed down to this number. So easily follow it blindly. No need to worry about that. 40 moving average, simple on the daily chart. Now, what I first concept that I want to tell you is understand one thing. When the trend is up, the very basic is that your 20 moving average will be above your 40 moving average. Why? Because same thing, your average closing of 20 days will be more than your average closing of 40 days because the price is going up. So your 20 moving average will be above your 40 moving average. And if the stock price is going down, then your 40 moving average will be above the 20 moving average. Absolutely simple. So which one is up, which one is down? Now some people, if you go to some videos, they talk about moving averages crossing each other, then you buy sell. It does not work. Okay, it's all very easy to show historically when it has happened. In the real market does not work. I am telling you from my 18 years of experience, having worked with the best of investment banks, does not work. So what I am telling you is we just need to know that the what is the trend. So the shorter moving average will be above the longer moving average. That's it. Crossing up, crossing down does not matter. Now, what is our system? Let us see that. What I want is, all of us have seen railway tracks parallel. So I just want to see a railway track on this moving averages, which means I want to see something like this. Let us, for example, say select green color for 20 moving average and select blue color for 40 moving average. So what I want is, I want to find a zone like this. Okay. I am not interested to trade or invest in a stock here. Okay. I am interested in a stock in this zone where both the moving averages are absolutely parallel with the 20 moving average above 40. That means uptrended stock and running parallel like a railway track. Now what I want is, so if you read any book on trading or go to any basic thing, you'll always hear buy on dips. Now what dip? Which dip? So what we need to do is that this is my 20 moving average. Now let us consider the parallel zone. So this is my 40 moving average. Now suppose I have a stock which is uptrended. So if an uptrended stock starts taking a dip, that means it comes here. It starts taking a dip. Now I have been told buy on a dip. Now I know that this is the system I'm going to buy where both the lines are parallel. So if they are parallel, it comes to 20 moving average and gives me a green candle. Okay, it gives me a green candle with a high and low. Now I know my rule how to trade a green candle, which means do I have to watch it during the day? No. I come back home, I see that oh, it was an uptrended stock, it has come to this, both the lines are parallel, and I see that there's a bullish candle. Okay, so tomorrow I have to buy. So I go to my MO trader or whatever Motilal Oswal trader app, or I call my Motilal Oswal guy. I tell him that okay, so this is say TCS and the high is 2102. So I give it around 10 points. I say that tomorrow buy 100 shares for me at 2111. Simple. And if the price goes there, it would have triggered. If it doesn't go, it doesn't trigger. But I have told him even before the market opens, or if I'm using my app on my mobile, I put the order at 9:15 or 9:16. That's it. And I'm done. Now, once it triggers, all I have to do is my reason to enter has to be my reason to exit. What is my reason to enter? 20 and 40 parallel. So I will exit when I'll hold it as long as it is above this. Once it goes and closes below this 40 moving average, that's when I will exit. Okay, simple thing. Now, similarly, if instead of when the stock is taking a dip, instead of giving a bullish candle here, suppose it continues to take the dip and gives me a bullish candle on the 40 moving average, which means I have a scenario like this. This was 20, this was 40, both are parallel like the railway track, and the stock which was uptrended, it starts taking a dip. Instead of giving a bullish candle here, it comes to 40 and gives me a bullish candle. I'm still okay to buy. Any of these systems, my only criteria is they need to be parallel. And if it closes below this, that's when I know I have to exit. I come home, I see that it has closed. Okay, so tomorrow I have to exit this. I'll put in my MoTrader app, or I'll call up my broker and tell him exit all my TCS tomorrow. Right? Simple. Is it clear to all? Before we see the example, just confirm please. All I want is 20 and 40 parallel. That means the stock is uptrended. It is taking a dip, gives me a bullish candle, I buy. Dr. Ankit, can you confirm based on the comments?
Yes, Prashant. Go on. I think. Can you just show us the system on something other than a stock, something like a Bitcoin? Like Bitcoin is just running away. Bitcoin, gold, or something. Can you just show on?
Bitcoin I'm already tracking. I feel it will be super bullish this year, but that's okay because I'm not much into trading that. Anyways, I'll show that. Let me start with a stock that I'm tracking. So I am tracking Bitcoin. I feel it will be a year of gold and silver. Okay, this 2021. Now let me show you. So I'm just starting with one of the stocks that I'm tracking, Dr. Ankit, which is Federal Bank. Okay. Now what I want is, I go to this. Okay. So we all know how to open the chart. We have seen that. Now what I want is, I go to indicators and I type MA and I click on it 2 times because I want 2. So I go to the first one, this format button. I select 20, right? Closing price style. And I keep it as blue color. That's okay. I make it thick. Okay. Then I go to the next one, format, and I put my length as 40. I go to that and I select, say, some different color and I increase the thickness. So now if you check this, okay, I am more interested in trading this stock, not when these lines are crisscrossing, but when the lines are parallel. So if you check this, just check here. Okay, one time it took a dip to 40 moving average and then kind of gave a bullish candle. This is one entry. Now here, this is again not a railway track. I'm not interested. It gave the exit. Now if you see here, just check here, a perfect railway track, and you get a dip and you get a bullish candle. So we saw in the second session, lower shadow indicates what? Buying. Upper shadow indicates selling. So this is one entry. Now we decided that when we are buying, that time our first target is where the price had turned last time. So if you see the price turn here, so when it approaches, I'll be booking 70%, exactly what we spoke about. And the balance I'm going to trail, and whenever it exits. Now you see, it comes to 40 moving average and again gives me a what kind of a candle? Check, there's a big lower shadow. So it is a bullish candle. Who is in control? Buyers are in control. When will I buy? When the high of this candle is crossed. So I'm going to buy at 62 rupees. And if you see, this was 62 to now 72. That's around 14.5%, 15% if I'm not wrong. Hardly a week. Now this is how you can easily enter and exit. Okay. Now you might feel that, okay, let me go to higher time frame. Let me do weekly. Doesn't work. Okay. Do not waste your money at all. As I said, I've paid to the market as well as to the places from where I've learned over the past 10, 12 years. So now you don't do it. So all I want is parallel tracks and a dip there and a bullish candle. That's where I buy. Now, let me show you what I'm tracking on Bitcoin as well. Oh, sorry, I'll put it here. So this is the Bitcoin daily chart. Okay, now check this. Absolutely parallel, same the way we spoke about. Dips gives me a candle, I buy. Near the previous level where it turned, I book out 70%. Balance I'm trailing, not exited. Another dip, another bullish candle, and I buy, and it just takes up. So I did not know what is a Bitcoin. That's what I said last time. We traded stocks like Tanla Solution. I still don't know what they do. Right now, I am looking at something called as Ashapura Mindcam. If you heard about it, I am looking at Rallies India. I don't know what they do, but I know what the price is doing. I'm more than happy to trade that, right? So this is Bitcoin. Doesn't matter anything, everything in the world. Make it a chart. Like for example, if you talk in medicine language, it's a patient for you. Does not matter who it is. Similarly, here it is a chart. Does not matter who it is. Absolutely not related. No emotions. Everything out. Okay. So that is the system. Now you might run anything and everything. Like I said, you might run a Tesla on this. Any strategy that you learn from anywhere in the world, it should work on everything. If someone tells you that it's working here, it might not work here, that means the person doesn't know. Very simple. So just check this. Again, parallel track, dip, bullish candle, dip, bullish candle, dip, bullish candle. Good enough, right? Another bullish candle. There is the exit, right? Similarly, now here, check this. Here is again a dip and a bullish candle. Done. That is the, you did not know. Now, if you just look at this trade, this is 650 to 750. Now, if you talk about that kind of a move in Tesla, where if you have read about Tesla, you might have known that most of the traders in the US have lost huge amounts of money by shorting Tesla just because they feel that as per the fundamentals, the value doesn't match. What's happening? They're losing money. Are the fundamentals working? They're not. And believe me, when the market starts crashing, that's when they'll start buying. And this time, it won't be buy on dips. It will be buy deep. That's what I am telling you from my knowledge. Okay. So I'll give you that hint at the end of the session. So Dr. Ankit, that was what I wanted to talk about from a system perspective. Let me know if there are any doubts, any questions, queries with regards to that.
Prashant, we'll take the questions in the end. Uh, because of this lag, I think people there is a lot of we waste a lot of time on that. We'll take the questions towards the end.
Okay.
Prashant, can you just introduce us to your programs?
Yeah, sure. So as I promised last time, I think I've given my link of what are the contents of my program, 7 Wonders of Trading. If you've not seen it, I'll just quickly tell you. Before that, let me tell you how the programs look like. And I have, most of the people that I have are doctors. Some of them are aesthetic surgeons, some of them are dentists, some of them are orthopedic, a lot of them are orthopedics, some of them are anesthesiologists, a lot of them, mix of all, general practitioners. I have CAs, advocates, everyone. Now, let me just tell you how it is shaped. So the first program, which I almost covered in the 3 sessions, few more concepts, is called as Yes, I Can Trade. And the program which all are loving currently, and I've been guiding people, is called as 7 Wonders of Trading. Then there is something called as Options Demystified. And now, as I told you that I don't only teach the advanced and basic strategies in the conventional way of trading, which is candlesticks and indicators and all those price action patterns, but I also teach market profile and order flow, which I have myself experienced how it is, how the huge orders of the other investment banks are snapped, which is not yet in India, but I have shown people how it's still working, where the FIs are what they are doing. It's like the market completely scanned for you, but that's the next level, not to be done immediately. That program is called as A2M of Trading. And finally, for people who want to take it very seriously, there is my 1 year program which is called Ultimate Trader. Okay, so when you join that, you get all of this. Additionally, you get some more systems, and you get 1 year of complete mindset coaching, one-on-one sessions, all those things. But now what we are going to talk about is this. So if I talk about 7 wonders of trading, let me quickly take you through what it is. So that now, before that, I hope all of you would have taken a look at my website, which is catalystwealth.co.in. Now, what is 7 wonders of trading? So let me tell you that we all start with uh, let me first tell you, sorry, let me first tell you why I came to this industry. Now, as I told you, we both worked at good levels. Rahul was a general manager, I was a Asia Pacific head, VP with an investment bank, 8-digit salary, everything good. But I felt that it's enough of I happened to read a lot of times the top 10 rich people in the world, top 15, top 20, top in India. And I felt that I've put in so much of effort for learning. I've been a meritorious student all through my career. Why can't I be one of them? I mean, I might fail. It's okay. I might fail, but can I not have a dream? I saw that I don't see a single engineer or a doctor. If I talk about an engineer, he wants to go and work for a Reliance Industries. Why Reliance Industries? Because the stock price of Reliance is the highest. That's why the owner of Reliance is the richest guy. If I look at a doctor, he wants to go and work for a Kokilaben hospital. Why Kokilaben hospital? Was she a doctor? No. But why? Same thing. It is one of the most prestigious. What do you mean by prestigious? 5 years ago, Sun Pharma was prestigious. Why? Because the stock price of Sun Pharma was the highest. Sunvi was the richest. Now Tesla is higher. So this guy is second. So I saw that everything around the world is more than your knowledge about the stock price. That's when I took that conscious decision, and I saw with my own eyes how trillions of dollars were invested in the investment banks daily basis. I felt that this is an opportunity. At least I should give me a chance myself, a chance to fail. Now, as I told you 2 sessions ago, initially I always felt I should have a manufacturing setup of my own. That would have been huge borrowing from the banks, labor, all those things. And if I had failed, it would have been maybe a huge time to recover. Maybe I would not have been able to recover. Here, if I decide that maybe I want to dedicate, say, 50 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 1 lakh, but I can at least give myself a chance. I can see that I can do something out of the box. And if I fail, now I always tell people, if you want to fall, fall forward, don't fall backwards. 2 reasons. Don't fall on your head, fall on your face. Because if you get up, you will get up at least 2 steps from where you're standing here. So you're gone ahead in your life. So it's okay to fall, but fall forward, right? That's where all these things going into my mind about the stock prices, and that craziness. Why can't an engineer or a doctor be in the top 10 richest people in the world? Why do we take pride in telling that I work for them? I work for them. I don't want to take that pride. I am okay to say that I have a company, Catalyst Wealth. Today I'm 40. At the age of 60, I say that I am a 100 crore company. I'm happy. I'm more than happy. Or even if I say that I've failed, I'm happy. I have done it. Okay. Now that's the whole background why I came to this industry, why I started this, to give one shot to my dream. If I can reach there, I might not, very well. And on your goals, people have to laugh. That's when your goals are different from what people around you are thinking. That's the first thing. So that's the action which we took, and people laughed at us then. Today they are taking us seriously because we are charging them. That time they did not take us because we were trying to teach them for free. Okay, it's like that. Now, what is 7 wonders of trading? So 7 wonders of trading, as you can clearly see, is a name derived from 7 wonders of the world. Now, what I have tried to do is I have tried to bring everyone to a platform. Why? Because people come to me with a very strong background of stocks, fundamentals or technicals, learn from 10 places, or people come to me with absolute zero knowledge. So all of them have to be at one level. So that's why I have given this program. What happens in this is I've given 7 different strategies for 7 different types of trading and investing methods. And let us quickly see what they are. First one is called as noiseless chart. Now, what is a noiseless chart is, there are different types of noiseless chart. There are point and figure, Heikin-Ashi, Renko. So we are going to use one of this to swing trade or to positionally build a portfolio. Okay. So same strategy to even swing trade, which we saw now, or enter exit. My favorite way of trading. and also to build a portfolio. Two different ways. Then that's wonder one. Then, so swing and positional trading. Then we go to the second wonder, which is what happens is that you see that a lot of people always try to enter, always try to see where to enter, when should I enter. It is not where to enter, it is also how much to enter. So for example, a lot of stocks, even now, Tanla Solutions, you might have seen that it went from 88 to 905, right? As I told you, we entered at 108, we exited at 270. There would be people who entered at 100, exited at 600, but they would have bought 10 shares, 20 shares. We took at least a good amount of shares, where in those 200 point move also, we made far more. Why? Because we knew our risk, we knew our exit. Now, this is what is important. That's why in the second wonder, what we'll do is people love to build portfolio. And from my knowledge, which I'll share at the end of the session, what's going to happen to the market, 2021 and 22, very, very strong time to build a portfolio. What you're seeing now is going to end, okay, very soon. It's not going to last. Now, where Nifty will come, today it is at 14,000, whatever, 200, 300. You can take it from me that by March end, you will see 10,800. Okay, March and max April. So you need not fear about it. Now, when I guide people, I always tell them the exit point. It might go to 15 now, doesn't matter. But that number which I have told will mostly be flashed on your screen. Now, how do I know what is to be done? So for now, what I should know is when to exit. So that is something that I guide people. Secondly, in this, I give you a system which you can use to build portfolio. But when people talk about building portfolio, they think about pouring new money. That's not to be done. You make profits, trading options, swing trading, use that money, buy positionally. For example, what I do is when I trade HDFC Bank option or something, it's one of my favorite long-term bets. But as of now, what I'm holding is only one stock, which is Galaxy Surfactants. I don't have any harm in disclosing it. I hold a huge quantity and I have been holding from a very lower level. So that's one thing that I have a very long-term bet on. Now, that is strategy 2. Strategy 3 is, you might have heard that the market is very volatile. So how to make that volatility your friend and how we can get the best of risk to reward ratio. What do you mean by risk to reward? If I'm taking a risk of 5,000 rupees, I should see a reward of at least 15,000 rupees. That is called as risk to reward. So this is the strategy using something called as volatility bands, how to trade during volatile markets and make the most of them. Now, the fourth one is based on a momentum indicator. Now, what we do in this, I have given a additional program on options, total basics for people who have no idea about options. And what we do is we use this momentum indicator to trade options as well as to swing trade. Okay, so the same indicator used in two different ways is what is wonder 4. That is the strategy 4. Then we go to the fifth one, which is my favorite, called as super trend. Because understand one thing, when you're using an indicator, there is no analysis. The indicator is there, you have to just see, put the trade, and that's it, you're done. Like when we saw the moving average, all you have to do is put the trade, that's it, you're done, your job is done. Now, super trend is one of the momentum indicators which we will use for 3 ways, which is swing trading, positional trading. You'll be shocked to see how to use it for positional trading, and intraday trading also. Okay, now what happens is, now people might say I might not get a chance to do intraday. So what happens when you join this program, you're on my group. Okay, now you can just keep the alert for my group, some tone. Now when I put a message, you can just look at it, and all you need to do is look at your mobile, and in your whatever MO Investor or Motilal or whatever app the way I use, you can just put the trade, that's it. Okay, so that's called the live guidance in the market. Sixth one is the secret key to options trading. Now, a lot of people who have been with me, I'm personally shocked, and actually I'm happy and proud to say that I have taught homemakers how to trade options using some strategies, and they are able to trade options consistently. Now, let me tell you, when they take 10 trades, 7 fail. Okay, that's the reality. Someone might tell you that 10 on 10, no, they don't ever work. When they take 10 trades in option, 7 fail, 3 work. For the best of people, 4 or 5 work. Okay, but what happens is, the ones which fail, you might lose somewhere around 800 to 1500 rupees. So 7 trades fail, your loss around 10,000 rupees. Your one trade that goes well will make at least 25,000 rupees. Now this is, I'm talking on a very low risk to reward ratio, very low. That is someone taking 1,000 2,000 point risk. Okay, that there I'm talking that your 7 trades might fail, still your 8th 9th and 10th will at least make you 20,000 each. So in your 10 trades you are effectively making 3 into 8 24 minus 7 17,000 rupees based on a very low risk. So that is the risk reward. And I have personally seen a lot of people. I don't know how many of you are in my programs already, but you might have seen so many times, even today, 100 rupee or 50 rupee option going to 250 in 1 hour. It is common, but it has a science to it. As I told you, there is a lot of science and easy science. There is Newton could not do it because he was not knowing it. Had he gone into it, maybe he would have got a better system, or maybe as a mechanical engineer, I would have got another subject. Who knows? Anyways, so that's how it's simplified with a secret key to the options. Now the last one is price action to trade options, call and put. So that is purely based on price action. So all this together comprise the 7 wonders. Now what I am looking at is, or so Dr. Ankit, is the program clear?
Yes, Prashant. Yeah.
Okay. So any queries on this, or I can go ahead with the offer?
Go ahead, Prashant.
Okay. Now, so these are the 7 strategies, main strategies which are covered. Now, for example, this was one of the trades which one of the students had taken on a basic strategy. This is nothing but a chart of Maruti. Okay. Now, based on some of the strategies, what he did was he took trade in Maruti option. Okay. Now, when the price was crashing and he took the trade. Now, if you look at this is a Maruti option bought at 124, and in 3 hours, that price was 268. So your money has more than doubled. And this was the trade at the same time which you took in futures. So one day it was a 40,000 profit on an investment of hardly 12 plus 50, that is 70,000. So that's like a 40-45% return in one day. How does it happen? Does it happen by magic? No, it happens by knowledge. And that's what is called as leveraging. So all the people, what I told you, the richest people in the world, do they keep on investing money in the business? They don't. They keep on leveraging. Now you need to know how to do that. What we do is, as a I have also done it. No, there's no fear in denying. At one point of time, I've done it. Futures and options not to be done. You lose money. But from 2008-9, when I started doing it consistently, 7 rather, when I started doing it consistently, that's when I was able to take my first house in Mumbai by trading in 2009. That's when I knew that this field has something which can take me somewhere. That's where I became serious about this. Now, so because that trade happened by fluke, I did not have the real knowledge, but that's when I knew that I have to now get that knowledge. Okay, so this was one of the trades taken. Now let me tell you what is the offer. What is, first I'll tell you what is the pricing which is available outside, and then I'll tell you what is the offer that I have for this specific group where we have done 3 sessions. Okay, so the offer which is from my website is today, as of now, it is 99,000 for the program. But if you look at the value of this program, that is, if you compare to any of the programs in the industry which is covering this kind of everything from cash, positional, portfolio building, futures, options, intraday, everything in one place, it is at least 1,25,000. Actually, such a program is not there, but somewhere near to it, the program is charged at 1,25,000 plus 18% GST. So that goes to around 150. Now, what I have done is, addition to this, I've added one more program as complementary to this group, which is what? My basic program, Yes I Can Trade. Okay, most of it we have covered here in 3 sessions, but there is a lot to it about how to mark those supports, resistances, starting from basic, what is a share. Okay, so now all these programs are fully pre-recorded using the technology which is used by Harvard and Columbia for their online programs. So it looks as if you're sitting in a classroom. The good part about pre-recorded online programs is you can access it any time of the day, from your mobile, from your laptop, two machines allowed, and you can watch it for as many times as you want. Okay, so you have lifetime access to Yes I Can Trade. So it looks like this, where you have the market cycles, candlestick, supports, resistances, and then 3 powerful strategies. And at the end, there's an assessment to know that you have done it successfully. Then you go to 7 wonders. So This from my website is somewhere around 7,500. Now, what I have done is, as Rahul told, that there is something called as emotions which play a major role. Now, let me tell you that the 2040 parallel system which I taught you today, if I go and teach it on the Wankhede Stadium to 40,000 people for free, take it from me in writing that not even 10, 15 people will be able to trade successfully based on that. Why? Because they are not able to manage their own emotions. And here, the same thing, right? Isaac Newton could not do it. We are normal human beings. We might be engineers and doctors, we might be the Ambanis also, but we are definitely not Sir Isaac Newton. So there is something extra, which is what? Not intelligence. It is managing yourself, managing the emotions. So what I have done is, from my 1 year program, which is the Ultimate Trader, where I have a lot of interactive assignments which go so deep into your life that you might have never thought so deeply about your own life. Okay, it goes into every area and it tries to bring out the real you, and then it completely changes you. That's all I'll say. People around you will know that you're no longer the same person. There will be a marked change. Now what I'm going to do is, as a part of this program, an additional bonus, I've added one of my videos of mindset from my Ultimate Trader program here also. So that will be given as a extra bonus. Now I'll be teaching you what are futures. This is another pre-recorded program given free with this. For me, this is absolute basic. So this futures program, what are futures, is covered. Now there is someone in the industry who's teaching. Now this you might read as Elliott waves. The real way to pronounce is it Ellie waves. So there is someone in the industry who's teaching Ellie waves for 4.5 lakh rupees. According to me, the value of this program should be 45,000. What I have done is, I don't use it for trading, but it's a definitely good concept to know. So even we won't be using it to trade, but it's good to understand the cycles in the market. So I've added it as a part of the program as an additional bonus. Okay, complementary to Seven Wonders for this group along with the main program. Now, so that you don't have to, what happens is, then you don't have to think about, I don't know that. So this is all the basic we need to build before we look at going higher in the value ladder. Now, additionally, what I have done is currency trading. Why currency trading? Because currency futures can be traded with a margin as low as 1600 rupees. Okay, so that's why I have taught people a completely total program using one of the strategies of Seven Wonders. We'll have a program to trade USD INR futures. So the thing that we have in our mind, I want to trade currency, you can easily do that. All you need to do is have that Motilal or Mo Trader app with you, which again my team can also help you to open the account. Or if you have with some other broker, you can use that as well. Anywhere you can trade the currency also. Also commodities you can trade. Secondly, now if you are busy, very busy with our day-to-day routine, what we'll be doing is, I'll teach you how to have a stock scanner on investing itself, which means based on the strategies that we'll do, all you do is on the weekend run a scanner, and you'll, instead of going to 500 stocks, you'll get a list of 10, 15 stocks. So for that week, you only need to monitor those 10 stocks. So that totally will be automated and given to you. Now, after this, volume plays a very, very, very important role in the stock market. And people teach volume as their whole programs for 50,000, 60,000. According to me, it should be fairly priced at 25,000. And I'm going to give it free with Seven Wonders because it is needed for trading. So I don't feel it should be a separate program. If you are joining Seven Wonders, it should be given with this as a free program. So that is volume. Now, I hope the offer is looking better now as a whole program. Now, there will be 5 live interactive webinars, and believe me that people who have worked with me, they know that I always undercommit. When I say 5, might have even 10, but minimum 5 will have for sure. Why live? Is because when you go through the pre-recorded programs, I'll give you a good amount of time, then session by session. So for example, after Yes I Can Trade, I'll tell you go through the first 3 strategies, that is first 3 wonders, then we'll have a webinar. Now if you miss out that webinar on the weekend, the recording will be made available to you for lifetime. That is pre-recorded, it will be there. And 7 wonders of trading you will have access for at least 6 to 8 months, so that is good enough time. Yes I Can Trade you will access for lifetime. Now what happens is, on every Thursday of the last Thursday of the month, there is a monthly. What happens on the expiry on the Thursday, Can you all hear me? Dr. Ankit, can you hear me?
Connection lost.
Hello. Dr. Ankit, can you hear me?
We can hear you now, Prashant.
Okay, sorry. So I'll be guiding you for 4 such monthly expiries, maybe 6, more than that. Now, in addition to the monthly expiries, there are weekly expiries also. Now you might feel that Thursday afternoons I'm busy. No issues. You just need to be on my WhatsApp group where I'll post the message that, and the message won't be that this may happen, this may happen. That's not the way I post. If you join me on Facebook, you will have seen that I was the one who was able to give the precise number on 4th of July for the 5th July budget. And I told that this particular number high would be hit on Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty will crash. So you can go and check the precision. The number was 31737 and 31727, and the high made was 31727.65. So that's the precision. And with that precision itself, I'm telling you, this year you will see Reliance Industries at 1073. Now, what happens is we all feel, what should I do if this happens? When will this happen? So that requires guidance. Now, that I'll be giving for sure on the group. So that is totally on me. Now, what happens is you get access to 12 whole months to my WhatsApp group. And now already we are 100. So when we grow for 7 months, when we go beyond 250, we go to either Telegram or we stay on Facebook. But you'll be getting live guidance. All your queries will be answered by me and my team. Now, what happens is, as Rahul said, there has to be a discipline approach. So that approach is what is going to separate you, and that is where your dreams are manifested into reality, right? It is very easy for me to say that I want to be one of the richest in 10, the richest 10 people, and leave it would be easy for me if I have a 5-digit job. But when you have an 8-digit job and you're leaving it, you need to have that discipline to meet those numbers, right? So what we need to do is we need to have a discipline approach. Secondly, we all believe that Warren Buffett is the investment guru. So what he has said is the best investment is the one you can make in yourself, right? So now what I am looking at is, sorry, if you look at this entire offer that we have bundled with 7 wonders, it comes to somewhere around 2,67,500 plus 18% GST. But what I would be giving to this group is, instead of 2,67,500, it would be just 67,500 and inclusive of 18% GST, right? So this is the offer that I'll be giving. Now, along with that, as I told you, you'll be getting, all you have to do is that. Now, let me tell you. So, Dr. Ankit, there are any queries here?
No, Prashant, go on.
Okay. So what I have to tell you is, now I'll be keeping this offer valid till Sunday evening. Okay, that is say 5 days from now. From Monday, the offer would again go back to the price on the website, which is 99,500. Secondly, what's happening is, you might have seen me on a prime slot on the media right now on the 1st of Jan. So we are also tying up with someone in the industry, and this 99,000 program itself this year might go somewhere to 1,45,000. So then if all these things don't stay valid, what I feel is, if you want to take that step, it is about taking the step now, the way we took. It's not about waiting for that Sunday evening or this. For the way we learned is, if I saw something like this and I found it interesting, I used to straight join, because now it's a pre-recorded program. So I know that I go to this website, I put in the credit card number, I join and I pay. I immediately get my ID password and I start, right? So I can start with yes, I can go to 7 wonders. And now the way I'm telling you that 14th Jan, 13th, 14th Jan to 23rd Jan, there will be something major in the stock market. No one knows what, even I don't know what. But from there, the market will start shaking. Okay. And there are 2 numbers that I'm tracking. One number I already told you in the first session, which is 32,150 for Bank Nifty. You're almost there, 300 points away. striking distance. Second number is say around 2125 for Reliance Industries. Once these two numbers are hit, I would be tracking certain indicators very closely, which we do as a part, as a team in Seven Wonders, right? Now, what happens here is you have the best of people I have on this group. All of them are putting in energy, putting in effort. So they put in trades, they find out trades. Now, this Federal Bank stock was found out by one of them. And if you ask me 2 months ago, he was not knowing what is the stock. So that's the beauty. When I teach you what I'm following, I'll just follow you when you post the trade, right? Because you're using the same system that I use. So the knowledge gap is bridged. And that's where the hand holding, the entry, exit, the live guidance, those things come into picture. So those who are keen and sure that you're going to join, you just need to go to this. And Dr. Ankit, I'll give you the link as well. It's nothing but program.catalystwealth.co.in/7-wonders-webinar. And there itself, you will have the sign up link. Immediately, you'll get the ID password. You can start accessing from there itself. You can start with yes, I can trade, and then I'll be adding you already to the group. I'll be guiding you. So that's not an issue. Now, those who want to go for EMI in this, what you can do is you can start with the first installment of 27,500. Okay. For example, if I am not sure whether I want to do it, don't want to do it. So when you join here with 27,500, you get access to the first three strategies, right? You get access to yes, I can trade, and you get access to the options program. So that's what you get in the first installment itself. Now, it's not like you pay one installment in 1 month, next in next month. If you feel that you want to pay the next one tomorrow, do it tomorrow. You feel you want to do it after 4 months, do it after 4 months. Okay. So, but those who want to just start with one thing, that was the link. Those who want to go for installments, first installment, this will happen. Second one, 22,500, you'll get the next two strategies. And on the last one, which is 20,000, you'll get access to the whole stuff and you'll be added to my WhatsApp group. So instead of 67,500, it will be 70,000 if you're going by installments. So the installment link is this, which is 7-wonders-EMI-offer. So just to tell you how, when you sign up, you'll get an ID password. So you'll get an access to something like this, where it will be automatically, you'll see, yes, I can trade, 7 wonders, options, and you can go to view course and start going through it. They're all interactive videos and already you'll be on the group. So you can ask your queries also. Now, this offer, as I told, will be for the next 5 days. And these are some of the comments which people who have already joined have put. So if you look at this comment is, so this is a person from Pune who had joined, and he said he was referred by one of the guys. So he said that I'm really happy, and he had learned from a lot of places. So coming here was already a big cost for him, mentally and financially also taxing. So that's where that comment matters a lot to me. And these are some of the trades which people took in the last 2 months. So if you look at, this is October, and when you look at PE, it means puts when the markets are crashing. So just look at this investment, 200 into 24, that is 5,000, 100 into 9, that's 10,000, and 27. So 27, 10, 37, 37, and 5, 42,000 invested. 42,000 invested, and profit book 3934, that's 73, and 45, that's 1,18,000. Triple the amount invested, profit booked in 2 hours. This is a live trade done on the whole group by one of the members itself under my guidance. So this is the difference between just knowing the strategy, being guided. So it's like this. If I want to do my MBA, I can do it from any college here itself locally. Why should I go and join Harvard? It's because of some value. So I have brought Catalyst Wealth to that value where we give premium education, and that's why I prefer in giving that guidance. Why? I don't want people to stop on 7 wonders. I want them to tell me, Prashant, what next? And they should be so happy that they should bring in more people. That's where my brand grows, right? Now, so this is the power of options. Then these are some of the trades taken by students. Very, very, very similar. This guy, if you look at him, he had done one of the programs by paying 7.5 lakh rupees to one of the trainers, and he came and told me that I'm not able to do anything. What should I do? I told him that if I talk about my program, it's more of marketing. You join and you let me know. So this is the comment he gave me. and this is after a good profit which you made. And it's not that you'll always make profit. Don't be under a wrong impression. There will be losses, there will be drawdowns. So it's about managing those emotions. It's about that guidance when you're down, how to bring you up again, how to follow the process again, right? I don't like storytelling. If you think that, for example, it takes a lot of time from your first day in the medical college, first day, that's 13th standard, till you go into the surgery room and operate a person. Or for me, as an engineer, from my first day in my 13th standard, first year engineering, to going on to maybe to plan an aircraft air conditioning, or to plan something like a fluid machinery for a Ferrari. It's not easy, right? It takes its own journey. But what we feel is, oh, stock market, 7,000 to 14,000, I'll put in 1 lakh, I'll make 5 lakhs. It's not like that. There is a process, there is a science, right? And if people who are putting in that kind of an effort are easily doing it. So look at this options trade. Again, the market was crashing in September. So it's an option. Amount invested is what? 750 into 4, that's 3,000 rupees. And booked at 45 rupees. So bought at 4 rupees, sold at 45. 10 times the money invested. So that's what I said. Someone might say, only 30,000. What was the money invested? 3,000. So that's huge in one day, right? In the same day, if you see, one guy made a 53,000 profit. In the morning, he had a 3,000 loss as well. So that's what I said. There will be losses. You should know that even if there is a loss, if it is by the system and you know it's a minimal loss, it's okay. You need to again enter when the system is telling you to enter. So just check this, the same instrument, the same option. He had a loss in the morning and later he again entered when the system showed an entry and he made a profit. It's not about profit and loss. It's about having the right knowledge and following it. So as I said, 10 trades, 7 will be losers. For options, 3 will win. And for positional, I can tell you easily that it's not overconfidence, it's the way the systems I worked on them. Out of 10, 7 will work or 8 will also work. Maybe even 9. Okay, so that's the power of the systems. Now, so there are some more trades which happened on Bajaj Finance and all. These are all examples, these are all the feedbacks given. Okay, these are all the feedbacks. Now, as I told you that the best investment you can make is the investment in yourself. Now, the two links are these, which is one is the straight 67,500 to start the whole program now itself, be on the group and be ready to face that move in the market and trade options live with us. Second is to start with the EMI offer and to look at a feel of it, to get yes, I can trade, and to get first 3 strategies of portfolio building, positional trading, and one strategy of volatility trading and the options program. So both the options are available to you. You need to select what you like. They are live only till Sunday. Those who are serious, just join straight away. It's all pre-recorded and online, so there is nothing to think about. Secondly, what I am telling you now is, before we end it, is that the move that I'm seeing in the market is officially there's a lot of greed created, but from what I know, there is distribution going on. What distribution means is big money is selling their stocks. Now, at the same time, people are getting greedy. There was a big IPO, and the Burger King IPO, it opened by some whatever 150% up. Now, the greed is too much in the industry, that is too much in the system. At the same time, has anyone given it to you in writing that there will be no lockdown in 2021 or after that also? If it comes, if the industries are hit, if all the professions are hit, do we have something to survive? Do we have something to match our lifestyle? Or if we don't have, there is something that we need to have which will stay with us lifelong. Knowledge stays with us lifelong, right? That's the reason I had put in so much to learn, and that's the reason I have put collected best of that, added my own stuff and made programs which give value, right? I don't want that people should come and they go, come and go. No, I want people to come, stay, bring in more people. When will they do that? When they start making money, when they start believing. That's where I believe firmly in handholding, and that's where Rahul plays the role of a mindset coach in the 1 year program. So that's not open for all. This is later on. This is where we start. So these are the two options. And Dr. Ankit, I hope I got a good offer for all of you as compared to what's there on the website. Okay, so any questions on the forum, just we are open to it.
Yes, Prashant, thanks a lot for the offers. I can't see any questions on the forum right now. So I think we'll end the session here.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Prashant, for the excellent 3 sessions we had.
Sure.
Yeah, thank you very much for the introduction to technical analysis. And please send me the links. I'll be sending the links on the forum as well. I'll be
Okay.
making a separate post for it, and I'll be putting up the links over there.
Okay.
I'm sure a lot of people will be interested in joining the programs.
Sure.
Yeah. Thanks, Prashant.
Any
Thanks.
other query, Dr. Ankit?
Sorry,
Any other query?
I can't see any queries on the forum right now.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And I have one suggestion for everyone. So what happens is that I myself faltered here. So what happens is you see a lot of stuff on YouTube for trading. Now I tried doing it all. What happens is that coming from the background that we come, which is engineering or medicine, is it possible for us to go and operate a person by looking at a YouTube video, or is it possible for us to build a machine by looking at a YouTube video? Absolutely no. So this profession, we might have heard about a Warren Buffett giving X returns. There are traders like Ed Sikota, Larry Williams, who give 38-40% returns for the last 25 years consistently in all type of markets on huge corpus. Okay, so they are using technicals. So that's the power of technicals. Believe me that knowledge is priceless, but wrong knowledge will take everything away. So just stay away from that. Learn from anywhere, but learn in the right way is all I tell you, because it's the last session. So all the best, and those who will be joining the programs, I'll be already adding you to my WhatsApp group, and we'll be taking it to the next level altogether, where Catalyst Wealth is already growing, and we all will grow together as a unit as well. So thanks all, and thanks Dr. Ankit.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, Prashant.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.